Imagine a land where pristine snow-capped peaks meet lush green valleys, where tranquil lakes reflect quaint medieval towns, and where nature and history blend seamlessly. Welcome to Switzerland, a country that's truly a postcard come to life. First up is Zermatt, a charming village that lies in the shadow of the mighty Matterhorn. In this car-free haven, the air is as crisp as the views are breathtaking. Zermatt is a paradise for ski enthusiasts and mountaineers, offering a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. Next on this Swiss adventure is the Jungfraujoch, fondly referred to as the top of Europe. A scenic train journey transports visitors to this high-altitude mountain pass, where panoramic views of the majestic Alps await. Moving on, Lucerne emerges like a picture-perfect postcard. Nestled on the shores of Lake Lucerne, the city boasts a medieval old town, the Chapel Bridge, and the Water Tower. It's not just a city, but also a gateway to unforgettable mountain excursions. Interlaken, sandwiched between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you'd like to hike, paraglide, or simply enjoy a leisurely boat trip, Interlaken offers an array of activities in a stunning natural setting. The Swiss National Park, located in the scenic Engadine Valley, is the country's only national park. A haven for nature lovers, the park offers pristine landscapes, invigorating hiking trails, and diverse wildlife. Bern, the capital city, brims with historical charm. Its well-preserved medieval old town, the Zitglogge Clock Tower, Federal Palace, and Bear Park are attractions that narrate tales of a bygone era. Geneva, a cosmopolitan city on the shores of Lake Geneva, is home to the Jet d'Eau, the United Nations headquarters, and the Red Cross Museum. It offers a blend of natural beauty and international appeal. Montreux, another gem on the shores of Lake Geneva, is famous for its annual jazz festival. The lakeside promenade, Chillon Castle, and the Rocher de Nez are attractions that add to its charm. Lausanne, a city pulsating with culture, is worth a visit. Located on Lake Geneva, the city is home to the Olympic Museum, Lausanne Cathedral, and the Collection de l'Art Brut. Last but not least, the Lauterbrunnen Valley, with its 72 waterfalls and high cliffs, is a place of astounding natural beauty. This picturesque valley serves as a gateway to popular destinations like Wengen and Mürren. From the towering peaks of the Matterhorn to the tranquil waters of Lake Geneva, Switzerland's diverse landscapes offer a captivating journey of discovery. Each location is a chapter in the grand Swiss adventure, waiting to be explored and savored.